Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making strawberry and basil water. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we're going to need fresh basil, fresh strawberries, and water. Start by coring and slicing all of your strawberries. Then slice your basil and add them to your container. Then fill your container with water. Serve chilled or over ice. I hope you enjoy.